I am studying 9th B section. Today I am telling about 4 topics. One is in social and another 3 is in physical science. First we will discuss about the topic is industrial development in India in earlier years. In India, a few larger factories are operated by government and some others by private companies. This kind of existence is as run by both government and private companies. Industrialists emerged because of the policy of decided by the Indian Parliament. The second topic in physical science, speed and velocity. Speed, a distance covered by per unit time is called average speed. Average speed is equals to distance by time. Speed is a scalar. Speed gives us idea how the body moves fast. Velocity, a displacement to an object per unit time is called average velocity. Average velocity is equals to displacement by time. Velocity is a vector. Velocity gives us idea how the body moves fast in specific direction. Third topic, matter. Matter is made with particles. There are 3 types of matters. First one solid, second one liquid, third one gases. First I am telling about solid. Solid is rigid and it cannot flow one place to another place and it has more density particles. For example, walls, pillars, poles, iron rods, buckets, mugs, chairs, etc. Now I am telling about liquids. Liquid has medium density particles and it can fluid and non-rigid and it compressible. Examples of liquid: water, petrol, kerosene, oil, etc. Now I am telling about gases. Gases is also non-rigid and flexible and fluid. It can flow one place to another place with air and it has less density of particles. For example, air, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. The fourth topic is 3 formulas in physical science. Mass by mass is equals to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Mass by volume is equals to mass of solute by mass of volume of solution into 100. Third one is volume by volume is equals to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. Thank you everyone.